Let's start over.
Strawberry and which one did I say this was again? Pineapple.
Interview, Jess. That deserves something to say on
My voice sounds a little bit like a little bit voice.
This one?
Yeah, that coffee is pretty good, Jess.
Yeah, that's Brazilian coffee, medium roast. Yeah. The
Tell
flavor.
the crew from where, Jess?
Brazil.
Show them the.
From the Brazil.
No, it's not from Brazil.
Brazilian coffee.
I know, but where did you buy it from?
Right there, Circle K.
Circle K gas station?
Yeah. Right
Is
there.
Okay, Circle K gas
Big-
station in Lihui, guys.
That's a taxi. Go. How do you say
Oh,
that?
Texaco, yeah.
Texaco.
Texaco, sorry about that.
Yeah.
Texaco gas station.
Yeah.
And I guess that little food mart they have over there, it's called Circle K.
Yeah, Circle K.
And we just found one of our favorite places for coffee now, guys, because they have an assortment of flavors there.
Yeah.
Brazilian, what else? Yes, the regular. They got Hawaiian stuff
Yeah,
too,
there's
right?
6 flavors, Dad.
I don't know.
Oh, yeah?
They have Italian coffee.
Italian coffee too. Oh my God, we gotta try that on the way back. I think then.
Sure, you go Italian.
Italian. So right now we're going Brazilian, right?
Yeah, Brazilian.
Italian.
Okay. So yeah, guys, check it out if you guys love coffee.
Save some for me.
It's really hot.
It's actually, yeah, they serve it hot and it's
Save
pretty
some
good.
for me.
Very tasteful. What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. You know what? We're about to find a treasure because it's right in front of us. Right there. It's gonna end right there at that power line pole. Hey,
Oh, disappeared.
way to go! No, we want the treasure!
Oh my God, man.
That was about.
It's right here.
I know it was right here, right there. That's where the rainbow
Disappeared.
ended. Ethan, start digging. Let's go.
Grab your shovel.
Where's the shovel? Let's go. Oh,
So disappeared. They said it's not there. We go transfer
I
that.
know. We were that close, guys, to becoming rich. We almost became rich, guys. Oh man, that's okay.
Awesome.
Awesome. Oh my goodness, Jess. I don't know. All right, Liza.
She's gonna die.
Ethan, what's going on over here, Ethan?
Eating stray guys.
Yeah?
And we just finished snorkeling, but we're gonna go back in.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure all of us, except for we're gonna go see fishies again.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And me and footage about it.
Wow, what is that, Liza? That looks good.
Very light.
Yeah. What flavor is that? What flavor is that?
I don't know. Yeah, just,
Ooh, that looks
but I
good.
know that it is strawberry,
Yeah.
pineapple, I think.
Yeah.
And then,
Right here.
this is what I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know that one.